Hi Sagittarius, this is your weekly prediction for the next week. Let's see what's coming towards you in your love life, in your career. These are general readings, so only take what resonates, leave the rest behind. At the same time, these are timeless readings, so whenever you're watching, this will resonate with you. I have a coffee stain on my clothes, so ignore that. We have the Eight of Swords. You're stuck in overthinking. You're not seeing something clearly, Sagittarius. You're not able to see something for what it is. There could be overthinking, or you're just trapped in your own perception. You're not seeing things for what they truly are. You're seeing things for what you want it to be and not what they truly are. You're resisting the change. You're resisting to grow. You're resisting to move forward in something. So I think there is going to be a lesson that you will be learning soon by the universe, because you have been resisting something for so long. The universe is finally going to step in. A divine intervention is about to step in to teach you a lot of things. That's what I'm seeing over here. Your resistance is actually gonna be problematic for you the next week. If you know something is not working out, give it some attention and resolve the issue, solve the issue, solve the conflict. Pay attention to the red flags, pay attention to what needs your attention. Do not ignore it just for the sake of instant gratification, because if you do so, there is a major lesson that's coming in. If you know something is not working out, make it happen. Yeah, you're not stepping up. You are playing the game on the back seat. So then the universe will have to take the steering in their hand and they will have to drive your car, which can be hard to digest, which can be overwhelming. But it's overwhelming either ways, because you're hiding away from your responsibility. You're hiding away from what needs to be done. So whichever ways, it's overwhelming you. So why not then just take the lead and make things happen the way you know it should be done? Otherwise, you will be isolating. The universe will isolate you. Decision making is reverse. You're not making the decision. Consistency is also coming in reverse. Over dependence or blurred boundaries may be causing you to lose your sense of self in the relationship. So you know something is not working out, you know the relationship is not working out, but you're still there. Same card came twice. So over dependence or blurred boundaries may be causing you to lose your sense of self in the relationship. It's time to reclaim your personal space and independence. You know a relationship is not working out because you're so scared to be lonely, you are staying there, or you just know that something is not working out but you're not making any changes. Somebody could be disrespecting you, somebody could be disrespecting your boundaries, but you're still not making any efforts to make it work out. The universe is gonna step in because they cannot see you suffering. They cannot see you letting your fears lead you. This situation, this relationship is not promising at all. Your emotional health is so much affected by this, and the universe cannot afford this to happen, because the universe of course has a lot of love for you, and the universe has given you so many opportunities to reclaim this. You have given this person so many opportunities to make things right, but it's not working out. So you have to take the decision now, or the universe will. We have empathy in reverse. You may be overlooking others and their feelings, leading to emotional distance. Rebuilding emotional connection can help you heal the relationship. And if you genuinely want to improve your relationship, be empathetic towards your partner. Empathy coming out again. You are overlooking other people's emotional needs as well. You're overlooking other people's needs and wants in the relationship and expectations. So you rebuild the empathy and the emotional connection in the relationship. That might help you to build a better relationship and connection with your partner. Now talking about your career, let's see what's happening in there. Sagittarius, next week, what's coming in their career? I don't feel like pulling out any cards for your career for some reason. Keep the faith, hope, resilience, trust, optimism, faith, and endurance. No matter how tough things get, remember that hope always exists. Your angels are guiding you through these challenges, reminding you that brighter days are ahead. Ask yourself, what challenges in my life requires more faith and trust right now? How can I nurture hope in difficult times? Write down 3 things you are grateful for today, even in the midst of challenges, to help restore your faith and optimism. Then we have walk away, release, let go, new beginnings, self-respect, moving on, and freedom. Let go of people and situations that are no longer supporting your spiritual growth. You deserve love and respect. Exactly, somebody was stepping on your boundaries. You are on the crossroads. And it is the right time you seek environments that honor you and your well-being. Ask yourself, what aspects of my life or relationship are no longer serving my highest good? How can I start moving away from these influences? Identify one relationship or situation that is holding you back and make a plan to gradually distance yourself from it. Focus on surrounding yourself with people and experiences that uplift you and support you. You are no longer settling for the less, and if you do so, the universe will step in and pull you away from situations, environments which are not serving your highest good, because you deserve to be loved and supported, Sagittarius. You are a loved child by the universe, by your angels. You're supported by your guides, and they will not let you settle in anything which is draining you, which is not serving you. Decision, intuition, guidance, choice, path, trust, and direction. If you are at a crossroad and unsure which way to go, this number is a reminder to trust your intuition. Follow your gut feeling to guide you through your decision. Ask yourself, what are the key decisions I am focusing right now, and how can I use my intuition to make the best choice? Take a few moments to meditate or reflect. Pay attention to your inner voice and feelings about the choices you need to make. Trust in your intuition to lead you in the right direction. In the upcoming time, your angels, your spirit team, your guidance system, your gut feeling, intuition are all going to be screaming at you to make the right decision, and you will know what right decision is going to be. And this is the time when you let go of this person in relationship. In your career, I see moderate financial support and stability. For some of you, you're not earning money, you're not financially independent. Then you're just not focused on your career. That's what I see. And if you make money, I see a stable, moderate income, which is not majorly impacting your life currently. You can be a bit overwhelmed or a bit stressed and strained with your finances as well, like relationship and money related relationships. But that's completely fine. It's gonna get sorted. A black tourmaline crystal could help you in this particular time if you are struggling to release someone, if you're struggling to let go of someone, if you're struggling to move on and walk away from somebody. A black tourmaline crystal will heal and absorb all of the negativity and all of the karmic attachment to that person and situation, which will then help you to remove a person or let go of a situation calmly than before, more effectively than you are able to do so, right? That's pretty much it, Sagittarius. I hope this helps. You can book the personal reading from the link in the description box below. You can follow me on Instagram. You can subscribe to my other channels. I am sending you so much love and light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, take care.